How Zoe Medicare AI integrates with dermatologists. Real-time skin diagnosis and referral tool. Can AI really help with skin problems? What if you could scan your skin, get real-time feedback, and connect to a nearby dermatologist, all in 60 seconds? Welcome to About Zoe Medicare. Zoe Medicare is a revolutionary AI platform that helps users detect skin conditions through image upload. Whether you're concerned about acne, eczema, rashes, or unknown skin marks, Zoe gives you accurate insights without visiting a clinic. Backed by medical datasets, Zoe analyzes skin photos and provides diagnosis probability, symptom descriptions, and real-time feedback with up to 98% confidence. To get started, simply open the Zoe Medicare platform at zoemedicare.com. Enter your name and email. Upload a clear image of the affected skin. Select your skin type. Enter a suspected condition, optional. Submit the form and wait a few seconds for feedback. Zoe doesn't stop at diagnosis. Once your result is ready, it also recommends a verified nearby dermatologist or clinic based on your location. Our network spans trusted skin experts across Africa, Asia, and beyond, helping you get care fast. Why dermatologists love Zoe? Clinics use Zoe to pre-screen patients, reduce wait times, provide telemedicine consultations. It's the AI assistant every modern clinic needs. Privacy, accuracy, and trust. Your data is 100% secure. Zoe never shares personal info with third parties. With a 98% accuracy benchmark, who should use Zoe? Whether you're a skincare, conscious youth, a health clinic, a traveler, everywhere across the world. Join thousands already transforming their skincare with Zoe. Get diagnosed. Get connected. Get better. ZoeMedicare.com. www.nehemiahstemresearch.com. Available across all platforms. +256 3931029338. Best tool for all skin conditions. Be it acne, eczema, psoriasis, vertigo, fungal, bacteria, honeycomb, scabies, or any other disease. Trust Zoe for best diagnosis. Follow us across different platforms. YouTube, LinkedIn, Telegram, WhatsApp, TikTok, Twitter, Facebook. Nehemiah STEM Research. For more of these videos, please subscribe, like, share, and comment.